Sorry about that. We had a minor technical difficulty. Good afternoon and welcome to the St. Clair County EMA office, where we come to you with our weekly COVID briefing. I'm joined today with EMA Director Herb Simmons and the Director of our St. Clair County Health Department, Mila Blandford. Mila, you have today's numbers for us.
I do. Good afternoon, everybody. For the reporting period of February the 17th to the 23rd, we had a total of 362 new positive tests out of a total of 10,365 for the reporting period. The age range of those individuals is under 1 to in their 90s. The weekly county positivity rate is at 3.5%, with a 7-day rolling average match at 3.5%. Regional positivity as of February the 20th was at 4.1%. Unfortunately, we have 3 new deaths to report: a male in his 60s, a male in his 80s, and a female in her 90s. Countywide, we have conducted a total of 725,890 tests, consisting of 68,403 positives and 657,487 negatives. Total number of deaths to date is 669. Our condolences go out to those families. Statewide, we have conducted a total of 54,055,396 tests, consisting of 3,022,684 positives, which is an increase of 14,697 from last week. Total deaths to date is 32,517, and that's an increase of 341 from last week. For St. Clair County hospitalization numbers, total number of COVID-related hospitalized patients in St. Clair County is at 22. Regionally, we're at 48. Patients on ventilators is 1. Regionally, we're at 3. Randy, would you share the hospital graphic with us? Okay. You can see that we currently have 22 hospitalized patients. That's the same number as last week. 14 are unvaccinated, or about 64%. We have 4 in the ICU. That's down from 6 last week. 3 are vaccinated and 1 is unvaccinated. We have 1 individual on a ventilator, which is also the same as last week, and that individual is vaccinated. Okay. Looking at our age breakdown, out of the positive cases, 15.8% were in the 10 and under age group, and that's down from 13.8 last week. 8.5% were in the 11 to 20 age group, and cumulatively, 58.3 were in the 40 and under age group, and that's down from 62 last week. For congregate care, announcing those in outbreak status: Bradford Place of Swansea, 1 new case; Cambridge House of O'Fallon, 1 new case; Cambridge House of Swansea, 10 new cases; Cedar Ridge of Lebanon, 27 new cases; Gateway Foundation, 1 new case; Integrity Healthcare of Belleville, 2 new cases; Lebanon Care Center, 2 new cases; Mercy Rehab and Care Center, Swansea, 1 new case. Again, 330 West Main is open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturday from 8 to 4. We do have a change in the times for St. Clair Square Testing Center as well as their vaccine center. They're now open 3 days a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from 8 to 4, and they do provide vaccine for the 12 and above group at that site, all 3 vaccine types. Herb?
Thank you. One question just to ask on here. Stephen wants to know, we're going to have live updates when people have the flu. If it turns into a pandemic, we probably will.
Yes. If the flu numbers go up, we could.
If the numbers go up, we would. So, you know, it's the comments like that that I like to answer, because it kind of shows the mentality of what we've been doing here for 712 days, and some people appreciate it and some don't. But, you know, your staff, our first responders are out there who's been putting their well-being and sometimes their life on the line to help take care of all the rest of us. Those type of comments just kind of get underneath my skin, you might say.
Well, it's about awareness. We are about 65% fully vaccinated in the county, and again, we've got a lot of resources for both testing and vaccine. Please get them while those vaccines and testing capabilities are still here, free of charge. That's the only way we're going to get to the other side of this pandemic. Well, the numbers are better, but they're not gone.
And you said there, it's about being prepared, and that's what we've tried to do all along. And Team St. Clair has been very supportive of helping do that, reach that goal of the percentage that we've had vaccinated now. And I can't be any prouder than those who have been part of Team St. Clair.
And our numbers are going down. Our case rate this week is 72 per 100,000 population. Last week we're at 223, so we went from a high status down to substantial, which is the best we've seen since November. So the numbers are going in the right number.
Yeah. So what's been going on has been working, and we continue to go. 4.1 regional positivity rate, 7-day rolling average, 3.5 where we were a month ago.
Right.
And where we are now, it's definitely, we've made some strides in getting those numbers down. And that's all because of people who have been following these weekly briefings now and spreading the word and helping us take it serious. Brian, if you want the zip code report.
Yes, sir. In 62201, we went up 7 to 1,316. 62203 went up 17 to 1,524. 62204 went up 1 to 995. 62205 went up 6 to 1,518. 62206 went up 13 to 3,234. 62207 went up 4 to 1,537. 62208 went up 18 to 4,180. 62220 went up 14 to 4,838. 62221 went up 25 to 7,045. 62223 went up 13 to 4,026. 62225 went up 9 to 782. 62226 went up 39 to 7,459. 62232 went up 15 to 2,012. 62239 went up 5 to 1,139. 62240 went up 3 to 379. 62243 went up 4 to 1,565. 62254 went up 30 to 1,549. 62255 went up 1 to 216. 62257 went up 4 to 732. 62258 went up 15 to 2,576. 62260 went up 4 to 1,658. 62264 went up 2 to 814. 62269 went up 38 to 8,544. And 62285 went up 3 to 1,226. Director?
Very good. And Michael, I think from the zip code report that we can still say that, it's out there in the communities, all but 3 zip codes throughout St. Clair County, but the numbers are looking a lot better than that they had been.
Right, and we have the tools to keep us safe. Be fully up to date on your vaccine, get tested if you're ill, wash your hands, stay socially distanced and wear a mask when you're unsure of the population you're with. If you take all of those steps, you and your family will remain healthy.
And that's great advice, and I can tell you that if these numbers over the next 7 days continue to go in that trend, next Wednesday we'll be making a determination if these weekly updates will be continuing on. Chairman Kern will be joining us, and we'll let you know that. But I think that we're heading in the right direction. And again, I can't express our thank you to all of Team St. Clair who has helped get us to where we are today. Yes, it's been a rough, rocky road, but let's see what this next week brings us, and then we'll be back here next Wednesday and let you know our decision then. If anything happens between now and then, we'll come back to you. Everybody have a good evening.